Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here, and I'm so excited for today's video because I get to show you how I did this eye look using the new Anastasia Norvina palette. This is volume 5. It's the latest addition to the Norvina collection and it's so pretty. I'm going to start by showing you the swatches. It's $60 and it comes with 25 beautiful shades, mattes, neutrals, sparkles. As you can see, it's very pigmented and the formula of the eyeshadows, the pressed pigments, deliver intense color payoff. They're all so beautiful and I love the vibrant mattes. You can just create a beautiful look for the summer, something intense, dramatic, and vibrant, or just something subtle, something soft, like a soft glam with a pop of color or something. You know, it's just such a gorgeous palette. And don't forget, I don't think I mentioned it here in an English video, but if you click on the, I believe it's the left bottom side of the screen, you'll have all of the products that I will mention in this video, and you can just check them out. It just gives you easy access to the products, so go ahead and check that out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you guys like this look. So now let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer as a primer for my eyeshadows. It's really important to blend out the concealer nice and for the tone to be even on the eyelid in order for the eyeshadows to also apply and blend out really good. And I like to use the concealer like a light shade so the colorful colors, the vibrant shades can pop out a little more. I'm not going to set the concealer. I'm going to go straight into the eyeshadows, starting with this one right here, B2, which is a matte pastel lavender shade. It's such a gorgeous matte shade. And I'm going to apply this using a small brush right on my crease or above my crease, starting on the inner part. And as you can see, I did apply a tape just to help me out with the eyeshadow look. And I will be applying another layer just to make the eyeshadow pop a little more and also to keep moving it up towards the eyebrow. And I didn't notice this before or like as I was applying the eyeshadow, but you might be able to notice the other eye, that same eyeshadow I applied, it's just a little different. I think I used a brush that still had a bit of a different purple eyeshadow on it, so if you guys see a bit of a difference, that was my mistake. I should have used a different brush or cleaned this one, but it's not that big of a difference, but you can notice a little bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending it out. And as you can see, the other eye, I did stop blending out this eyeshadow right on the outer corner of the outer part of my crease. So I'm just gonna keep blending it out until it looks really nice. Now I'm going to do a cut crease really quick using Anastasia's Eye Primer, and since this is a review and not a step-by-step tutorial, I'm not going to show you exactly how I do it. I do have a lot of tutorials showing you step-by-step how I do a cut crease, so if you guys want to check those out, I'll leave those in the description box below. And it does help if you use a very light shade concealer or a primer, so the eyeshadows that you apply on top of that can stand out. And for the shimmers, I'm going to start with this one right here, E1, which is a metallic candy pink with gold reflex, such a gorgeous shade. And I'm going to apply it with this little sponge right here in tapping motions right on my eyelid, just on the inner part of the eyelid. It's important to apply the shimmers on top of the primer when it's still creamy. That way it can really hold on to the eyelid and the pigmentation can pop out. Then I'm going to go in with this eyeshadow E3. It's a metallic bright lavender, and I'm also going to be using the little sponge, and I'm going to apply this on the center of my eyelid. I wanted to apply as many shimmery eyeshadows as I could on my eyelid, and I feel like this one looks really good with the first shimmery eyeshadow I applied. And I'm also going to be blending it out into the first shimmery eyeshadow just very lightly without having too much of the lilac color on the sponge. You can also wet the brush before applying the eyeshadow on the eyelid, that way it can give you more color and shimmer, but as you can see, it's not really necessary because on its own like that, on top of the creamy primer, it's just already so good that you don't need to do that. And the last shimmery eyeshadow is going to be C1, and it's a sparkling cool toned lilac with blue reflex. Such a gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I'm going to apply this on the outer part of my eyelid in tapping motions. And once I have most of the eyeshadow where I want it, with whatever's left on the little sponge, I'm going to use that to blend it into the eyeshadow I applied on the center of my eyelid. And as you can see, they both blend out beautiful, and the combination of these colors, gorgeous. Then I'm going to grab B3. It is a matte cool toned lilac, and I'm going to apply it on the outer corner of my eye where it meets the tape. And I'm going to slowly start blending that up towards the eyebrow, towards the tail of the eyebrow, and into the shimmery eyeshadow I applied on the outer corner. And once this eyeshadow meets the other matte eyeshadow I have on my crease, I'm going to start blending it out together very lightly without having too much product on the brush. And you can see that they both blend out so good. Then I'm going to grab E5, which is a matte deep grape, and using the same little brush, I'm going to use this eyeshadow to do a simple eyeliner. And like I said, having the tape right there is going to help to do just a quick and simple liner with this along my lash line. And I did apply 2 layers just to deepen up the shade a little more. Now I'm going to grab E2, which is a matte blush rosy pink, and again for this one I'm going to apply 2 layers to deepen up the shade and to blend it out a little bit lower than I normally do so it can be noticeable on my lower lash line. And I wanted to use as many eyeshadows from this palette as I could so you guys can see how they apply and how they look, and I feel like I'm doing good so far. I've used so many of the eyeshadows and the look is looking really cute in my opinion. What do you guys think? I'm going to go into E5 again and apply it on my lower lash line right under the roots of my eyelashes. I just want the lash line to be a bit more dark and dramatic. And so it's going to go from the outer corner to the inner corner, and I'm going to connect it with the eyeliner right on the outer corner. Now I'm going to apply these eyelashes from SheGlam, and like I said in the beginning, if you guys want to see what products I used in this video, you guys can just click on the lower left side of the screen and all of the products are going to pop up either on the bottom or on the side, and that will take you to exactly where you can buy these products. And really quick, I'm going to apply just a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto, and I just want a little bit because I'm going to be applying fake lashes on my lower lashes, which is something I haven't done in a long time. This is my first time using these Anastasia lower lashes. I feel like these eyelashes go perfect with this dramatic look, and since I used Anastasia Norvina palette, might as well apply these eyelashes for the first time, and I honestly am loving this look. And I can't tell you which one is my favorite eyeshadow. I loved all of the ones that I used, but I think I'm leaning a little bit more towards the sparkling lilac with blue reflex. This is the one that I applied on the outer corner of my eyelids. Just, they're all so gorgeous. And if you liked this look, please leave some purple hearts in the comments below. Since this was just a review video, not really a tutorial, I didn't want to go step by step on how exactly I apply the eyeshadows. So if you want me to do another tutorial step by step dramatic or something soft using the same palette, let me know in the comments below what type of a look you want me to do, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And also let me know what you give this palette, what you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this with your friends and your family. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!